Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to change note color on Instagram. And for this, first of all, what we want to do is we go to our DM, and then right now we can click right here on write a note. Then right now the note color is just white, but right now if you write something down, something like this video, if this video helped you out. And right now if we are holding our finger on this note, so click this a little bit away, then you will see this. So if you hold your finger on the note, then you can change the note color. Now right now we can also switch to more colors if you want to. So let's say we want it blue, and we now click on apply, and we click now on share. We just added a blue note to our Instagram. So this is exactly how you can change the note color. Hopefully this video helped you out. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.